I'm going to drop it off. I'm not even going to take it home. I'm going to drop it off and leave it on her porch. And she comes.
Melissa's Treasures and More. She does a lot of sales. Look at that, a dirt devil. I've never seen one of those. Well, let's see if I can sell this thing. Brand money. That's $12. I do. There, that looks like a good hammer. Just sold a hammer we picked up in an estate sale or garage sale. I don't know what brand that is. I don't know a price. But I'm gonna buy it because that's a hickory handle.
Hey, thanks for coming along with me on these sales. Just wanted to let you know, at Fletch Flips, we give you all the details. We only show you the things that we purchase and what it sold for. We also let you know what we paid for it. And if it's not sold yet, when I created this video, it'll show as listed. We don't just show you pop-ups from the eBay app showing you sold comps of other people's items. We want you to know exactly what we make. And at the end of the video, we're going to give you an entire breakdown with net profits of what we make from everything we show you in this sale. So enjoy, and let's have a good time.
Yeah, he's not cool enough.
I did see other ones that were high heels, but I only saw one high heel.
Okay. So yeah.
Excuse me, I'm gonna go set this stuff down.
Where to go?
Yeah, I know.
She said crocheting.
Thank you.
During COVID, and so we.
I thought that there'd be a place for
I
a
thought so
pole,
too, but I don't see it.
I apologize if you guys have to wait a second.
Just gotta.
No problem. I am actually pretty quick, but you know. You weren't married. Been doing it a while. That's how I used to work in resale.
I need a couple of these. Watch that.
Oops, sorry. Too much stuff to carry. I need a bag. Should've
That's
brought a
right.
bag. Want the makeup?
No, I was wondering if that was what my wife uses. Looks great.
I'm sorry.
Oops. Oh, you're coming. Okay. Need a roundabout. You never know on some of the plush stuff and things like that. That one doesn't bring enough to. Yeah, you know what? It's only $2. Still got the tag on it. I'm in. It's just something that'll make a few bucks. It's so easy to list. Stuff down. Hi. Gonna make a pile here.
Do you need a bag, sir, for anything? You all set? Okay.
But I'll come back to this.
Okay, that's fine. I take this on the side.
$4. This is $12. This was not marked.
So 2 and then $1. So
Okay.
3.
Yep.
Well, I made a few buys at this previous sale that'll make us some solid money. Let's see what we can get at this one.
Must be locked, huh?
No. It opens. Well. I wonder if. Oh, there it is.
Oh, oh, you push it
slides
up.
up.
Gotcha.
There we go. I was like, no, I don't think it works.
Ooh, what brand this thing is.
My girl just called me. She says she's done with what she was doing. I'm going to pick her up so she can go to the next sale with me. Let's see what we can get.
Hello.
Got matching glasses.
We do?
Pretty much.
Oh, she has her white ones on today. We match.
I like it.
We're bonding after 50 years.
Hey. Oh, wow. That's pretty good.
Should never stop dating your spouse.
We met in high school. We were 16.
Aw.
Yeah.
Aw. I could never. Too old for
Do you know if these batteries are still operable
They are operable.
for about
But
5
I
minutes?
No, well.
I'll take them.
He didn't say how long.
That's okay. You know, it's $1.50.
Right.
I've wasted $1.50 on a lot worse things than that.
Well, at least they're still making the 20 volts.
Right. I don't have you to watch over me.
That's why you did.
Yeah.
Whatever happened to my Mickey Mouse phone?
Minnie stole it.
Grandmother got me. I don't know. It was in the basement. He was standing there and he had a yellow phone. We were watching a movie the other day and they had one in the movie. And I'm like, oh my god, I had one of those. It was at grandma's house. Grandmother, because grandmother had one too. I don't remember that. I'll show you. You'll know when you see it. Like, oh yeah, because they had like 100-foot cord on it that would be all over the basement. My memory bank didn't.
You may already know this if you've watched our previous videos, but we only show you the items that we have sold in our eBay store or have currently listed. You're going to want to stick around because right now I'm texting a guy that I totally forgot about. We talked last night about a big buy of a bunch of old electronic equipment. And we're going to be going to pick that stuff up in a while. So you can watch the transaction, and almost all of it is already sold as I am editing this video. So you're going to want to see it because we made some solid money on it. Stay tuned.
I forgot all about those Heath kits this morning.
The what?
Heath kit. Those testers that guy had.
Oh. Maybe tomorrow.
I just messaged him and told him I forgot all about it. Do you still have them? And you can take those. $1.
Okay, your wedding dress. What was it? Your wedding dress.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You gotta give him
I
change.
know. What was that? They were
$1. Radio Shack speakers.
So $3.50.
There you go.
That was a
Thank
good
you.
store, Radio Shack.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, if nobody
All the
bought
good
those speakers,
stores
I was
are
gonna
gone.
get the one to hook up to my record player.
Well, you can't now.
No.
Thank you.
I got a different one. Have a good one.
You too.
Well, they got the last laugh. I bought the speakers, they didn't work, so I threw them in the trash.
Oh, that is cool. I owe you $2
Hey.
for a bowling ball in it. Whoops. Leslie! I'll be right back.
He spent all his money.
I won't run off with your bowling ball. I'll come back.
Okay.
I need $1. Wait till you see this. This is cool. Oh my God, I'm glad I looked. I saw that. I said, I think that's a bowling ball case. Huh? How cool is that? There you go.
Thank you.
Thank
Don't
you.
forget your battery.
Oh, thanks. You probably would have resold them.
No way.
Go for it.
Finding these things to flip is so much fun, especially with my girl. But she wanted to get home and get dinner going, so I dropped her off, and I'm running out to pick this or meet this guy to get this electronic equipment that we made an arrangement on Facebook Marketplace.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you doing?
Kirby, is it?
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Good looking dog. How you doing? You a friendly doggy?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Dude, I'm sorry.
That's all right.
I was busy all day, and I was somewhere with my wife, and I looked at my phone and someone messaged me. And then I saw yours.
That's
So
all
anyways,
right.
all right.
I used to do a lot of eBay and stuff.
Okay.
And
that's what I do.
Yeah, I noticed that. So
Yeah.
I'll be putting a lot of stuff on.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, just message me. You don't.
I don't know what what are you into? I've got a lot of vintage electronics.
I do anything and everything, and that's kind of
tube-
stuff I love. I
tube
bought
testers.
this Heath kit. I bought a whole bunch of this about a year ago,
Oh, did you?
and it takes some work, but I put it on eBay. I clean it up, and people buy it.
Yeah, like the audio generator.
Yeah, but I sell about 150, 200 things a month, so I've gotten. You know,
Okay. Well, I should have you
Yeah.
come look at my stuff.
I should.
You want to?
Man, I'm short on time right now.
Okay.
How far away are you?
About 3 minutes.
Oh, yeah, I'll run over. Let's
Okay.
do these.
Here, I'm gonna keep the
Yeah, no
crate.
problem.
So, I haven't. I kind of gave it up, and I just haven't been doing it for a while.
It
I
takes
had a-
work, but I'm retired now and I love it. I have a blast.
Yeah. Oh man, those last couple minutes of the auction and watch it get bid up.
Yep.
So I had a room just full of stuff.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to reclaim my stuff.
Your place, huh?
So I mean, you could get an idea, and I'll show it. You know,
Okay.
and I'm just gonna. I was gonna throw it all out, and then I'm like,
No, don't do that.
yeah.
You can make some money, but you know, you can't pay much for this stuff and sell it because the fees
Exactly.
and shipping and everything else.
That's why
But,
I'm just like.
Yeah.
I mean, I got stuff listed. Right
It'll
now.
be a win-win. You can get some and I can make some. Oh, awesome. All right, I'll follow you.
Okay.
Okay, buddy.
I followed the guy to his house. Pretty nice place, pretty secluded. And we started to walk into the barn, and he would ask me if I would not record, so I did not. I picked up 2 more things from him there, and I got everything for $65. So let's take a look at what we got. Now you saw what we got in this electronics haul. Let's take a look at the breakdown of what we put in our pockets. Net profit after fees and expenses. And then I'll show you the things we bought at the garage sales and estate sales and give you a breakdown of that and the total. Let's go.